Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwashers have a dispenser that releases detergent during a wash cycle. If the detergent is not being released, then it's a sign that the dispenser is faulty. In this episode, first, we'll do some initial checks. Then we'll test and replace the detergent dispenser. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. If you use detergent pods, the gel can sometimes dissolve and stick to the dispenser flap, preventing it from opening. You can try putting the gel side down, as the powdered side is less likely to stick. As well, you can try using powder detergent. If this still doesn't help, and the dispenser is not opening at all, then it's a sign that the dispenser is faulty. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. Using a multimeter, components can be tested for continuity. A successful continuity test proves that electricity can pass through the circuit. Without continuity, the component will not work and will need to be replaced. First, remove the wire harness. Set your multimeter to the ohms or resistance setting. Touch each probe to each terminal. If there is no reading and no continuity, then the dispenser is likely faulty and should be replaced. Remove the mounting screws. Now remove the detergent dispenser. Align the new dispenser into the mount. Now tighten the screws. Next, reconnect the wires. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now, tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our Reliable Parts locations. Thanks for watching.